Hi Leomar, happy 50th birthday po. Hoping to see you again soon when you come back to the Philippines. Ingat ka po palagi. God bless you po.
Happy golden birthday, Leomar. May the Lord grant you good health, happiness, and more blessings as you continue being a blessing to others. Thank you for the friendship which started during our college days and wishing to spend more moments with you. God bless you and your family. Kabsat, Gayem, Batch, Parel, Leomar. We love you.
Kapsat, happy birthday. Po, 50th birthday mo na. So, ibig sabihin, sobrang half ng buhay mo, magkaibigan na tayo. Grabe, di ba nakakasawa minsan? Hindi, joke lang. So, thank you for being there, being my friend, kahit hindi man tayo madalas mag-usap, magkamustahan, alam natin sa mga puso natin na magkaibigan tayo no matter what. So, thank you, Kabsat. Sana wag ka magbabago. Yung pagiging generous mo, mapagmahal sa mga magulang, sa mga kapatid mo. Magandang magandang ugali yan na hindi dapat binabago, kundi ini-improve pa ng mas maganda. So, ano bang wish ko sa'yo? Wala na yata akong mami-wish sa'yo kasi nasa'yo na lahat. Yung wish ko na lang sana, yung next na Rolex na makukuha mo with Salad Master, bigay mo na sa akin, ano ba? Wala na, sobra-sobra na yung Rolex nyo ng pamilya mo. Wala namang kasunod si Elmar. Kung sana may kasunod si Elmar, okay lang, ano. Pero okay lang, tatanggapin ko, bigay mo na lang sa akin. Happy birthday! I love you, bye!
Nagasat nga panagkasangay mo, Casey. Nagasat ka, ta nadanon mo iti kagudwa ti dekada. I wouldn't know century. I wouldn't century agayam. Aya, kanagasat ka ting make-upak daytoy nga video nga panagkablaaw ko kanyam. Sapay kumata adupay, aglaplapusanan iti blessings nga dumteng kanyam ta nagagat kamot. Ket thank you kadagay ingted mo iti nagawid ka. Sapay ko mga nagawid ka manon, mangtud kan tumanon. Alaem to, hindi pa uit ni Mari nga ambit. Thank you. Happy birthday, Kabsat. All the best.
Hello kapamilya! Kumusta kayo dyan? Merry Christmas everyone! Ingat kayo lagi! And to Leomar, Nong! Happy golden birthday! Sapay lang kuma, tay ka na kani Apo, iti atidugpay nga pinabiyag. Tano, adupay iti matulungam, ken adupay iti mapakatawam. Enjoy your day! Love you!
Good morning, brother. Happy birthday. O ito ang tunay na good morning. Nasa bed pa lang. Unang maligang pagbalik sa iyong kaarawan, brother Yomar Cabson. O, nandito pala kami sa bed. Wala walang pasok kaya medyo in-enjoy ang night. Good morning, brother. Happy birthday. Happy golden birthday. Sana marami pang taon ang iyong pag-celebrate sa iyong birthday. Good morning. Bye.
Happy birthday, Leomar! All the best and all your dreams be fulfilled. God bless. We love you.
Tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri, tanti auguri, tanti auguri a te.
Tanti auguri, zio Leomar, e ti voglio bene, ciao.
Happy birthday!
50 years of life is a true achievement. I wish you all the good things in the coming years and makes you happy, Kuya. Just enjoy and cherish your achievements. I wish you good health and your family. May you have many more birthday to come, Kuya. God bless you and your family. Happy 50th birthday, Kuya Yomar.
Surprise! Hi, Leomar. I just want to greet you happy 50 Jubilee birthday. And I know you're such inspiration, your passion for your family, your children, and your leadership. And stay healthy and wish you more traveling and more sales on your Master. And God bless you.
Manong Leomar, manipod dito'y pamilyam dito'y Tarlac, ti Kanaganan ti Lagunero family. Mangiyib-ib kasak iti kablaaw, manipod dito'y puso me. Happy golden birthday! Happy 50th birthday, Manong!
Hello, Leomar. I hope you're doing good and having a good time. Happy 50th birthday, and I wish you more health, more success, more health. Enjoy your family, and you deserve everything you have right now. Once again, happy 50th birthday, brother.
Happy birthday, Salad Master King. Oh, anya ti pag-giveaway mo ngay, uritong lang. Enjoy your birthday. Wish you more success sa career na napili mo. And, syempre, lagi kang maging healthy kasi maraming umaasa sa'yo, lalo na sina auntie, tsaka Manang Ines. Lagi kang maging masaya. Para naman, baka sakali, mabigay mo na sa akin yung isang Rolex kasi sobra-sobra ka na, diba? Charot. O, basta happy birthday. Enjoy and ingat.
Happy birthday, Leomar. I wish that you are in good health with your family, and I love you. Happy birthday, Leomar. Sapay kumata, naragsak kay amin sang kapamilyaan.
Hi, Kabsat Leomar. 6 o'clock tata, dito'y KSA. Happy birthday. Miss na kita, nagbayagan nga tayo nagkikita. Pero di bale, dato'y kalanta pusok, han ka nga malipipatan. Happy birthday. I love you, Kabsat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Wish ko kanyam kat nakaradkad ka nga kanayon, agraman ti buo nga pamilyam, ken sapay lakuma, tamalakwamon, ti kardiro, tabuong karadan. Aganad nga kanayon dita, I miss you. Mwah!
Hello, Leomar! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
God bless you! Ani Gina Day!
Limutan mo na ako.
I-boardmate mo ite! Happy birthday! God bless you!
Birthday! Happy 50th birthday, brother!
Happy birthday! Shopatid! Eco Park!
Baniit time!
With Sir Roger Ramos, your kasinsin.
When I feel the time is right and you're staying by my side, and the love you give to me makes my heart beat. When my fantasies fly away, but my feelings make me stay, I see the fire in your eyes, it makes my heart beat. Do it, we still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it, in a way like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover.
Happy birthday, Tito Leomar! Stay happy and foggy!
Welcome to the club. 50 years old ka na. Yay!
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Yomar!
Insan, happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday, Insan! More birthday to come!
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Yomar! God bless and wish you all the best!
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Yomar! Happy birthday, Casey! Hello, Tito Yomar! We wish you a happy birthday! More candles to blow.
More blessings to come.
I love you,